Yeah, first of all, we listen to this intro before we start with this message. If you know you don't have a good broker, man, this is a broker for you. You know, the link of this broker is going to be under this chat. You check it out. Check it out in the comment section. You click the subscribe to this channel because we'll be making this type of informative video. Thank you.
From the base of the trend line, you see, to the high. That is your 500. Now, what do we want to do? Let's draw another trend line. Let's draw another trend line.
You know, I got something there. What it say? It says something there. It said from the base of the price from somewhere.
From the base of the trend line, you see, to the high. That is your 500. Now, what do we want to do? Let's draw another trend line.
Okay.
Let's draw another trend line on this support. And then another line on the resistance itself.
You say what?
Okay. Now we got the high.
We got the high and the low of that chart.
And the low, because this is going trend line. Let's draw another trend line on this support. And then another line on the resistance itself.
Wait, where did we start to draw the line?
Now we got the high on this support. And then another line on the resistance itself.
Okay, well, most of you don't know the reason why I continue to do the playback of this video is to put your attention to where we draw our trend line from the support, because we always want to capture the beginning of a longest move within the support resistance zone. That is where we're going to draw our trend line from the support, from the base. Okay, let's go on.
Okay. Now we got the high and the low of the chart. The high and the low, because this is going up. Okay. And now what we're going to do now is that we're going to go again to say, okay, I want to go and remove that support resistance line. I want to delete it. Okay, I deleted, but it's not yet deleted, but I want to insert another trend.
I don't get him over there. I don't know why he's going to delete the previous line he drew. What is the point and what is the logic?
Another support resistance of, let's say, in this case, 100. We have it. Okay. The 100 is showing us something from this high to this low. Okay. But let's go again and make it like, let's go edit it and make it like 200. Support resistance, let's say it is 200.
Okay, he made it 200 because he's going to grab the average of a support resistance 500 around the trend line. Okay, that is going to be the 200. The price will bounce on the 200 and bounce to the original trend. That is the moves of a week. We are out of time, but let's continue.
Okay, this is 200. We have 500. We have our trend line.
Thank you. We're out of time. Enjoy this commercial. Subscribe to this channel, man. Thank you for watching.